The rapid growth of technology has taken over the field of production. Human labor has been revolutionized by awestruck machines. In this video, we introduce to you the wonders of the modern world. Join us in the ultimate satisfaction of unveiling the most satisfying machines. What are the most useful machines in the modern era? How are these giant arts of technology operated? Machines were made to simplify the task of human beings. Progressing throughout the years, the only task human beings have is to operate a machine. The struggle to fix a contact lens in your eye is a real struggle. Ever wondered how are these made? Every step towards the making of contact lenses is beyond satisfaction. Did you know about the egg weight grader machine? It sorts eggs in different grades by weight. This is a rebar production system. How satisfying is the working of the machine? Wondering where the world is heading? From human labor to revolutionizing machines to even building homes. This 3D concrete printing is an incredible view to just watch. This hydraulic pump is a time saver in our busy lives. It is satisfying to watch how the first is cleared from the lawn by the water pressure. Such innovations make our lives easy to live. This packing method seems so effortless. Such packing can be complex if handled by humans, but take a look at how simple is it for these advanced machines. This leveling can be a day's work for a human laborer, but do you see how it is fixed in a few minutes by this amazing machine? The artist took a month to cut and carve wood, but today, these machines can carve more than 100 pieces of wood in a few minutes. Machines not only make complex tasks easier, but also perform tasks impossible for humans. It would be impractical for a human being to bend an iron rod in a few seconds, but machines like these can. This washing system is efficient and time-saving. It removes all the dirt without direct contact with the car. Carpet cleaning used to be the most hectic task in a week. But with the help of this machine, carpet cleaning is not only easy but fun to do. In the making of every ancient sculpture lies the effort of thousands of human laborers for months or even years. And here we see the machines making sculptures in a few minutes. The future of sculptures lies with the machines. These tiny hearts are cut out of dough is the efficiency of this cutting-edge machine. The accuracy of these machines has an ecstatic beauty. The art of these machines is satisfying to watch. Packaging of these cabbages is handled by these machines, so as to safeguard the quality of the cabbage until it reaches the consumers. Arranging these thread balls can take hours if made by humans. Watch for yourself how efficient these machines are. A knitting machine can be an interesting one to have. Unleash your creativity with colorful thread, even on days you're not patient enough to wait an entire week to knit your favorite sweater. Pancakes in split seconds. Machines are now taking over the field of cooking as well. Ever wondered who packs these fruits in a mass? Well, here is the satisfying visual of your favorite fruit being factory packed. Not a single drop is wasted. Machines are not only efficient in time-saving but also in money-saving. Humans can make mistakes and have accidents, but machinists are deprived of such things, and that factor adds to their efficiency. This machinist slices potatoes in a matter of seconds. This fine slices of potatoes can be used in the making of chips or fries. Yet another satisfying machine is the embroidery machine. The accuracy in stitching is beyond imagination. The role of machines in today's world is quite evident from the making of these products. Almost every sector relies on machines. What do you think about the future? If these machines were to be removed, would the world survive? Let us know your opinions through comments.